Question 10. Consider the reaction X plus Y, reversible arrows to XY. If the temperature of the system is increased, A. The forward reaction would be favored. B. The reaction would be slower. C. The reaction would be at equilibrium. D. The backward reaction would be favored. The correct answer is A. Explanation. For an endothermic reaction, increasing temperature favors the forward reaction. Or you can simply say, when temperature increases, the reactant species gain more energy. This makes them more likely to overcome the activation energy and hence form more XY products. So the forward reaction is favored.